So, what, you as a chief engineer or a second engineer, what would be your action now? Will you continue like this with the SU1 failure, or would you like to change during your passage by stopping it? What will you? Hmm? You should not take a chance. You should always get your pumps full. All the pumps should run fully and 100% ahead, 100% assistant capability. Because in case something happens to one of the pumps, like there need not be HE failure, it can also maybe due to the feedback failure that can cause you a problem. So then two pumps will be running in only ahead. So what you should do, you should actually put a new NPC, and alternatively, if you don't have any, if you are going for a longer voyage like this and captain says there will be a lot of maneuver, so I would seriously tell you, take, if it, even though you don't have any MPC spare, take out one from the engine and put it here. Because during maneuvering, you don't have to run 100% the full 100% RPM and 100% load. So that is what you should do. All right. Now we are running the engine from the local. Okay. Thrust bearing high temperature has come. Both EHV failed. Thrust bearing high temperature is come up. Alarm first. Then you got a slowdown value. Let's say 85 degrees. Slowdown has triggered. So tell me, will the engine slow down or it will continue running at the same RPM? Engine is running from the local. Hmm? What do you think?
Is it because from the local control the slowdowns have been overwritten, so the engine will not slow down?
Slow down. Very good. So there will be no slowdown happening from the local. Very good. So now I need to distinguish between two different slowdowns. The first one, the first one is nothing but the remote control slowdown, and the second one, any system slowdown. So like yesterday we mentioned, anything happens to the individual cylinder, there will be a slowdown. There are four slowdowns associated with the ME system. One is FIVA valve failure, booster failure, exhaust valve operation failure, and cylinder oil failure. So these four functions, if any of the four functions happens to any cylinder, there will be a slowdown. So these slowdowns are known as these slowdowns are known as ME system slowdown. Okay. Now I have a question. Your CCU number 5 failed. Okay. CCU number 5 failed. Will the engine slow down if you are running the engine from the local? Okay, let us take it from the bridge first. If CCU number 5 failed, will the engine slow down? If so, how it will slow down? What is the reason for the slowdown?
Exhaust temperature deviation.
Excellent. It is coming through exhaust temperature deviation. That's right. It will not slow down due to FIVA valve failure, cylinder oil failure, etc. Why? The full CCU is not working. the ECU is not working, it cannot tell the ECU. You cannot tell the ECU that there is a problem with me, please slow down the engine. It cannot. Okay. So therefore, it is very important that you must understand how the engine is slowing down. So it will slow down through exhaust temperature deviation. Now we are running the engine from the local. We are running the engine from the local. We are running the engine from the local. Will the engine slow down now? Same situation. Same situation. CCU fail. Will the engine slow down? Engine will not slow down. What is the reason? Now exhaust temperature deviation is coming to the system, but this is attached to your engine alarm monitoring system, which means it is connected to your EICU. So therefore, no slowdown will take place, but you get alarm. Then you need to come down to the engine room, or if you're already there, you need to go to the local and reduce your RPM. So there will be no slowdown from thrust bearing, exhaust temperature deviation, crankcase mist detector high, all those kind of things. If you're running engine from the local. All right. So an important point. Richard, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Ready, or should I continue?
Yeah. Are you showing any slides, Francis?
No, nothing.
No, okay, I thought so. Yeah, no problem.
So, all yours. Some hand has come up.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, but the local control is still like for extremely non-normal situation to be used.
It has to be used if both EICU does not work. Do not work. Sorry.
Okay, but it's still like a kind of emergency situation then anyway.
Yes,
so
yes.
it's not.
It's not a. It's a special situation where the captain cannot start your engine from the top, or you cannot start the engine from the control room. So it is not a normal operation. It is a critical situation. That is right. And especially when you do the engine from the local, you also have to man your engine room.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
My pleasure. Over to you, Richard.
Okay, I'm just trying to get the camera to work. So if you can just ask a couple more questions, and we'll get it sorted.
I'll continue. Okay, so now, what is the meaning of hydraulic power supply limiter, and when this will get triggered?
When the hydraulic pump is not able to build up the pressure, sufficient pressure, then the RPM will get down to that corresponding pressure which is available.
Very good. So the system will decide how much should be your load or the RPM. Very nice. Cylinder oil. Now, if you are going to put a new piston ring, set a new piston ring and a new liner, how do you actually do the running in? Only one cylinder. How much is the dosage? How much to do?
Start with 1 point, increasing it to 1.7 and then decreasing it according to running hours.
Okay, so which key that you will punch in? Feed rate factor or running in?
Running in part.
Very good. And don't forget, running in has got the highest priority. So therefore, you need